Okay guys, so we got a new video. These guys got an expedition.
Okay guys, so this is a 2005 expedition, and the problem with these expeditions is that the plastic fades away real quick because of the sun. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna Raptor it all the way around, and let's see how it looks. Alright guys, so we already taped up all around the track pretty much what we needed to tape. All we're gonna do is scuff up the plastic already, and then after that we're gonna Raptor it and see how it comes out. Alright guys, so we're done scuffing all around the truck, all the plastic. Right now what we're gonna do for from what we showed you from our previous videos, we're gonna put paint thinner, and we're gonna put the first coating so it can reveal the areas that we didn't get to scuff, and then we're gonna let it dry and scuff those areas that we didn't scuff, and then we're gonna give it a second pass with paint thinner. Okay guys, so we moved the truck out of the sun, and we pretty much are done scuffing around the whole truck and cleaning it, and now let's start taping. Okay guys, so we pretty much done taping all around the whole truck. Now we're gonna put some paint thinner. We're already done cleaning it all around with the second pass of paint thinner. Now we're gonna put some adhesive promoter on the plastic. Okay guys, so it's very important to have adhesive promoter stick on everywhere. It helps the Raptor stick on the plastic or any surface of the area. Alright guys, so we're gonna start mixing up the hardener with the Raptor. So alright, so now that we shake it for 2 minutes, we're gonna start spraying the Raptor on the truck. Alright guys, so that's the first coat. Like before, we had said in previous videos that you really don't want to, on the first coat, you really don't have to cover all the little areas. You know, on the second coat, that's when you're really gonna see the Raptor more pop out more. And the first coat, you want to let it sit there for like about 40 minutes, and then with the second coat, you just want to come, and with that second coat, you're gonna see it pop out more. So we're gonna wait 40 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and do the second coat. Alright guys, so we let it sit for about 40 minutes. Now we came back to do the second coat. Alright guys, so we're done with the second coat. We're just gonna let it
dry there for 40 minutes. And a lot of people ask us how many bottles it takes us to do this, and it just takes you two bottles to do all of this, the first coat and the second coat. That's pretty much it.
Okay guys, now that we let the Raptor sit there for an hour, we're gonna start taking off the paper. Okay guys, so this is the finished product, and this is how you take care of fading plastics on an expedition. So,
Check it out, guys. All that fading plastic is gone. Once again, these guys did a great job. Look at that even coating. Look at that grill, guys. That grill looks better than when it was brand new. The bumper, lights, molding all the way around. Just gives this vehicle a new, different life. Outstanding. Like always, these guys do a great job. The texture is nice and even. Awesome job. Let's zoom out so that we can appreciate the vehicle. Awesome job, guys. Check that out. The customer is going to be happy. This is a 2005 and it looks like a brand new vehicle. Good job, guys.
so yeah, this is it. So, like and subscribe.